Good morning, guys. It's another day to run and to walk. Samahan niyo po ako. Samahan niyo po ako. Kasi malayo yan, hindi marinig ang boses ko, dada. Samahan niyo po ako ngayon na we'll do the daily routine, which is ang walking ko, guys. Come on. So, today is June 6, 2025, of course. Andito ulit tayo sa Monticello. Another mommies. Sabi ko po sa inyo, kailangan gumagalaw tayo every day. At least 10 to 15 minutes kapag tayo ay bago pa lang. Okay? So, araw-araw pag ginagawa natin to, sigurado po na tawag nito, magagawa natin siya na parang wala na lang everyday. Ito ang aking view right now. It's almost 8 AM. Pero kung makikita ninyo, walang sun. Kasi, it's gloomy day. Look at that. I am here at Monticello. Every day, I used to walk and run here. But today, I prefer not to run because I'm not feeling well. Pero galaw-galan pa rin tayo. Galaw-galaw pa rin. Alright? Marami tayong nakikita. I wish one day I have a bike. Para hindi na ako mag-walk. I will just do the biking. Enjoyable to do the biking here. Kasi wala kang makikitang ka-enkwentro. Alright, so it's a beautiful day, mga madi. It's really a beautiful day. Look at the sky and the place. After ng aking walking, ito talaga yung pinaka-extreme na ginagawa ko. After nito, well done. Okay?